Question number 1, fill in the blanks. First one, minus 100 into minus 6. So here we know 100 into 6. 100 into 6. Here 600. Then we are going to multiply sign into sign. So here sign into sign means minus into minus. We already discussed in the previous exercise. Minus into minus, it is plus. So answer will be plus 600. Second one, minus 3 into dash is equal to 3. So how many times we have to multiply minus 3 in order to get 3 here? So 3, when you are going to multiply one time, we get 3. But here we have to see sign also. Here minus is there, our answer should be plus. So when you are going to multiply minus into plus, we get minus. But answer is plus. So minus we have to multiply with minus here in order to get a plus sign. So minus 3 into minus 1 is equal to plus 3. Third one, 100 into minus 6. How much? So first we have to multiply 100 into 6. We get answer 600. Then sign plus into minus. That means minus. Answer will be minus 600. Fourth one, minus 20 into minus 10. So first we have to multiply numbers 20 into 10. 20 into 10, the answer will be 200. Then we have to multiply signs minus into minus. That will be plus here. The answer will be plus 200. Fifth one, 15 into minus 3. The first multiply numbers 15 into 3, that will be 45. Then plus into minus. So plus into minus, the answer will be minus. So answer will be minus 45. Question number 2, find each of the following products. First one, 3 into minus 1. First 3 into 1. So 3 into 1, answer will be 3. Next plus into minus. We know it is minus. Answer will be minus 3. Second one, minus 1 into 2 to 5. So 1 into 2 to 5, it will be 2 to 5. Then minus into plus, the answer will be minus. Third one, 21, minus 21 into minus 30. So here 21 into 30, it will be 630, and minus into minus, answer will be plus. So answer will be plus 3 plus 630. Fourth one, minus 316 into minus 1. So here 316 into 1 will be 316, and minus into minus, it will be plus. Fifth one, minus 15 into 0 into minus 18. So minus 15 into 0 will be 0, and 0 into minus 18 will be 0. So 0 don't have any signs here. Sixth one, minus 12 into minus 11 into 100. So first 12 into 11, that will be 132. 132 into 10, that will be 1320. Next minus into minus plus, plus into plus, that will be plus here. The answer will be plus 1320. Next seventh one, 9 into minus 3 into minus 6. So here 9 into 3, that will be 27. 27 into 6, that will be 162. Now plus into minus, minus, minus into minus, plus. The answer will be plus 162. Next eighth one, minus 18 into minus 5 into minus 4. First here 5 into 4, 20, 20 into 18. So that will be 360. Now multiplying signs, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, then minus. answer will be minus 360. Ninth one, minus 1 into minus 2 into minus 3 into 4. So here first 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 6 into 4, 24. Next minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into plus minus. So answer will be minus 24. 10th one, minus 3 into minus 6 into minus 2 into minus 1. So first numbers we have to multiply. 3 into 6, 18, 18 into 2, 36, 36 into 1, 36. Next multiplying signs, minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So answer will be plus 36. Question number 3. A certain freezing process requires that the room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So here initial temperature is 40 degree Celsius. So in the question they are given for every hour 5 degrees is increased. There is a change in 5 degrees. So 1 hour 5 degrees. Then 10 hours, how many hours you are going to see the change? So here 10 into 5, so that will be 50 degree Celsius. So after 10 hours we are going to see 50 degree Celsius. So after 10 hours what will be the room temperature? So initial temperature 40 degree Celsius minus after 10 hours, that means 50 degree Celsius. So we get here minus 10 degree Celsius. So this will be the room temperature after 10 hours. Question number 4. In a class test containing 10 questions, 3 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 1 mark is for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. First one, Gopi gets 5 correct and 5 incorrect answers. What is his score? So here a correct answer we get 3 marks. Incorrect answer minus 1. So here 5 correct answers Gopi gets, that means 5 into 3 marks, plus next 5 incorrect answers, 5 into incorrect answer, that means minus 1. So here 5 into 3, that will be 15, plus 5 into minus 1, that will be minus 1. So here 15 plus into minus minus, that means 15 minus 5, that will be 10. So 10 is the score. Second one, Reshma gets 7 correct answers and 3 incorrect answers. What is her score? So here 7 correct answers means 7 into correct answer 3 marks, plus 3 incorrect answers 3 into incorrect answer, that will be minus 1. 7 into 3, so that will be 21. 7 into 3, 21, plus minus 3, 21 minus 3, that will be 18 here. Third one, Rashmi gets 3 correct and 4 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? 3 correct answers, that means 3 into 3 marks plus 4 incorrect answers, 4 into minus 1. Then 3 into 3, that will be 9, plus 4 into minus 1, that will be minus 4. So here 9 minus 4, that will be 5. So answer will be 5 here. Fifth one, a merchant on selling rice earns a profit of ₹10 per bag of basmati rice sold and a loss of ₹5 per bag of non-basmati rice. First one, he sells 3000 bags of basmati rice and 5000 bags of non-basmati rice in a month. What is his profit or loss in the month? So here the data given is 3000 bags of basmati rice he has sold. So 3000 into basmati rice when he sold, what is the profit? He gets rupees 10. So here 10 rupees into 10 plus 5000 bags of non-basmati rice he sells. So 5000 into, when he sells 5000 bags or non-basmati rice, what is his loss? That will be ₹5. So that means into minus 5, loss it is. So now 3000 into 10, that will be 30,000. So plus here 5000 into minus 5, that will be minus 25,000, 25,000. So we know plus into minus, that will be 30,000 minus 2500. So 30,000 minus 25,000, we get 5,000 here. Second one, what is the number of basmati rice bags he must sell to have neither profit or loss if the number of bags of non-basmati rice sold is 6,400. So here let basmati rice be x. So x into basmati rice, when he sells the profit will be 10. So into 10 plus non-basmati rice, say y, into minus 5. So that will be, the answer should be 0. That means no loss, no profit. So now we have to find out number of basmati rice required. So here basmati rice is x into 10, number of basmati rice if he sells 6,400, then what is the number of basmati rice? So if non-basmati rice have been sold 6,400, that means 6,400 here into minus 5, that will be 0. So x into 10, that will be 10x. Here 6400 into minus 5, that will be 32,000. That means plus into minus sign, that will be minus 32,000, that is equal to 0. So now 10x is equal to 32,000. So x is equal to 32,000 by 10, that will be 3200 answer. So number of basmati rice should be sold will be 3200 in order to get no loss, no profit. Question number 6, replace the blank with an integer to make it a true statement. So first one, minus 3 into dash is equal to 27. So how many times you have to multiply 3 in order to get 27? So here it should multiply with 9. Then 3 into 9, we get 27. But sign, when you are going to see, the output sign is plus. Here it is minus. So we have to multiply minus with minus in order to get a plus sign. So here minus. So answer will be minus 9. Minus 3 into minus 9 will be plus 27. Second one, 5 into dash is equal to minus 35. So how many times you have to multiply 5 in order to get 35? Means 7 times. Again, when you are going to see sign, here plus is there, answer is minus, so we have to multiply with the minus sign. So minus 7, when you are going to multiply with 5, we get minus 35. Next, third one, dash into minus 8 is equal to minus 56. So when you are going to multiply 7 with 8, we get 56. And sign, when you are going to see, answer is minus and here minus, so we have to multiply with the plus. Plus into minus, minus. So plus 7 into minus 8, that will be minus 56. Fourth one, dash into minus 12 is equal to 132. So here we have to multiply 12 with 11 in order to get 132. But sign, when you are going to see, here plus is there, minus. So plus into minus, answer will be minus. But answer is plus. So we have to multiply minus. Minus into minus, we get plus. Answer will be minus 11 into minus 12. Your answer will be 132.